This video is courtesy of BrainyBuyer.com, your shortcut to smarter shopping. If these deep dive comparisons help you pick the perfect gear, show some love with a quick subscribe. So I'm looking at two Weber Grills, the Traveler and the Q2200, both portable but seem pretty different.
Yeah, I've been eyeing them too. The Traveler, that's the B0B9V9H8XZ, right? It's newer.
Exactly. It's all about portability. Folds up real small, designed to fit in a car trunk. The Q2200 ASIN B00FDO-ON9C seems more like a compact grill that you could move, but isn't designed to be constantly transported.
I see what you mean. Looking at the dimensions, the Traveler is 42.72 deep, 43.6 wide, and 37.2 high. The Q2200 is smaller in depth at 25.1, wider at 51.4, and shorter at 26 inches high. But the Q2200 weighs more, 42.5 pounds, compared to the Traveler's 32 pounds. So the Traveler is lighter and folds smaller, making it easier to move.
Right, and the Traveler has this cool one-handed setup. Sounds super convenient. It also uses a 1 lb propane tank for optimal portability, but you can adapt it for a 20 lb tank. I wonder about cooking space, though.
The Traveler fits about 15 burgers or 20 sausages, which is pretty decent. The Q2200 has a cooking area of 280 square inches. So looks like the Traveler has good space.
Both have a stainless steel burner, putting out 12,000 BTUs. And they both have electronic ignition, so that's easy.
The Q2200 has folding work tables, which the Traveler does too, along with tool hooks. One thing, the Q2200 is currently unavailable, which is a bummer.
Oh, good to know. The Traveler is available, but more expensive than the Q2200 was when it was in stock. It looks like the Q2200 is aluminum, while the Traveler is porcelain-coated steel.
Yeah, so the Traveler might hold up better to wear and tear, especially if you're hauling it around a lot.
Good point. I guess it really comes down to how much portability matters. If it's a priority, the Traveler seems like the clear winner.
Agreed. If you just want a sturdy, compact grill for a smaller patio or occasional trips, maybe keep an eye out for the Q2200 if it comes back in stock. But for true portability, the Traveler sounds like the way to go.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.